If you want to start making money online, I want you to watch to the end of this video. I am going to be going straight forward, explaining everything that I've wrote here so that you understand much better. Okay? For you to start making money online, one, you have to learn a skill. And the skill you are going to learn, make sure it's a high in demand digital skill, because we are going to be learning you are going to be learning digital skill. Make sure it's a digital skill because you are delivering your services online. Okay, so learning digital skills that you can learn are lists that you see right here: web design, copywriting or ghostwriting, AI automation, app development, video editing, and social media manager. These are a list of few of skills that you can learn and start making money online. So where you can learn from, YouTube, you can learn from community, and you can learn from a mentor. You can learn from a mentor. Okay? You can learn from a mentor. Learning from a mentor. Let me tell you advantage and disadvantage of these three. Learning from YouTube as a newbie, as a first time person that is trying to learn how to make money online, you get feed with a lot of information. Maybe you grab the information or you get overwhelmed because you don't actually know what you're doing. The advantage is that you get access to a lot of information at once. The disadvantage is that when you are learning or taking a lot of videos, you might be confused and feel burnt out, because confusion will lead you in the circle of no return. Okay, then learn from a community, and also when you are learning from YouTube, you don't have one-to-one access asking the video creator or the creator or the teacher question immediately when you are implementing that exact thing that he or she is teaching, and you get confused. You cannot ask the person a direct question. You can drop a comment on the comment section, maybe get a reply immediately, but it's very rare people responding to your chats, your comments on YouTube immediately. Or maybe you learn, or you could drop a comment whenever he or she has the time to reply. The teacher will reply. Okay, then that's the disadvantage and advantage of learning from YouTube. Learning from community, you get to learn alongside people that are already in your niche, like-minded people. You get to learn, and when you have questions, you can ask in the community. Someone that knows the question will answer, and when other people ask questions, they can answer. And if you yourself that is also learning knows the answer, you get to answer. And also learning from community, you get to share materials with each other. Then learning from a mentor is more advanced and also good, because learning from a mentor, you are learning from someone who already has a proven strategy, that has the knowledge and also can navigate you through your learning process. Your mentor knows what you really need to learn. Your mentor knows the step and the current phase of what you're learning, and the next step to guide you for you to start seeing results immediately. Okay, when I learn web designing, I'm giving an example with myself right now. When I learned web designing, I started learning web designing when I was in secondary school, but because I was doing a lot of things at the time, school stuffs, and also I was working with a studio. I was running video editing, so it took me a lot of years to be able to learn from YouTube. I wasted a whole lot of 4 years plus on YouTube learning, and I was not getting money. I was wrapped up in the learning process and stuff like that, because when I have questions or when I implement what I see on YouTube and get confused, I don't have someone to ask. When I drop a comment, it takes time and stuff like that. Maybe I get to forget, maybe stuff like that. Then a friend of mine which is my mentor, sent me a video telling me watch this video. It's a 4 hours long video, and I was able to watch a 4 hours video from the tutorial which he dropped for me to watch. 4 hours video was able to guide me the process of what I've been learning for 4 years. 4 hours straight video. That is why it is beneficial to have a mentor or be in a community, but in this case a mentor. So immediately I watched the video, 4 hours videos. I started offering my services and start making money. My services, which are my skills, okay, and I start making money, which is the income. So if you want to start making money online, this is a whole lot of blueprints for you right now to look. If you are watching on YouTube, check our descriptions. If you're watching from a social media, you can check on the link on our bio, or also you can comment to share your experience or ask a question, and we will answer the question direct to your DM. So that is it. This is just the blueprint that you need to start making money online. Start learn, join the community, and start taking action to start making income. I'm showing you this with proofs. So I'm not just teaching you a whole lot of things without showing you a proven strategy.